This cordless portable 6-inch chainsaw comes with everything you're going to need. First off, of course, you get the chainsaw itself. It comes with 2 batteries. The batteries, you push down this button and they slide off the front here. These are 24-volt batteries. They've got a plug hole right there. And then I'll slide that back in. There's a charger in the box that plugs into that hole. You get two batteries, which will last you most of an afternoon of trimming bushes or cutting logs about 6 inches. It comes with a cut resistant glove, which is handy. Oh, it's a pair of gloves. That's nice. You've got the tool for tightening the chain and the bar. Comes with a second bar in case something happens. Cleaning brush, some paperwork, a separate chain, and a little bottle for oil. Just go to any hardware store and get some oil. The oil goes up top into this little thing. You can push it to prime it. When you want to run it, you just push this to allow the button to move, and it runs. Doesn't make a lot of noise. As you use it, the bar might come loose, so you just take the tool, carry it with you, tighten it up. It's got this cover at the top that moves for cleaning. And that's about all there is to having a tiny chainsaw that lets you do so many chores around the yard. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.